Let's start. The project name is Text Watcher. Let's see the project structure. In the app-level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here, we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here, we have an edit text, with enter name as a hint. Let's see the code. So, we have a constraint layout as the root layout. And this is the edit text. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity, which extends app.compat activity. Also, the main activity implements a text watcher interface. The interface has 3 overridden methods, which we will see later. In onCreate function, we have added the text changed listener to our edit text. Let's see the text watcher functionality. First, we have the before text changed method, which is called before the text in an edit text is changed. Then, we have onText changed method, which is called when the text in an edit text is changed. Here, we have shown a toast, which displays whatever we type in the edit text. And last, we have the after text changed method, which works similar to onText changed, but the difference is in the parameters. The parameter of the after text changed method is an editable, whereas the parameters of the onText changed method are a char sequence and 3 integers. Let's run the app. As you can see, whenever I type something in the edit text, the onText changed method gets called, and that text gets displayed in the toast. So that's it. That's how you can use Text Watcher in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.